Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a pictures or images on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. Now, how to insert a pictures on your WPS spreadsheet on your mobile. So first, if I open your spreadsheet and you just want to insert a picture, just click on the cell you just want to insert. So click on this icon option, then click on the insert option, and here you will see an option called picture. So you just want to scroll down, you will see an option called floating picture here. So click on the picture and select the picture from your gallery directly. Inserting the picture, you can just resize the picture, or you can just expand the picture, or you can whatever you just needed. So you can just rotate by using this angle option, and also have an option to rotate left, and the right option. So here, or you can just download if you just need it. Save, you can save the image or you can delete the image. And click on this icon option, you will have a more detailed options about your images. This is how you just insert a pictures or image on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Unique. Have a wonderful day.